Precious Pages sent me another book mail. Si Erich, nag-reach out ulit siya sa akin at sabi niya, hey, I need your address. Ito na, Erich! Dumating na! Thank you so much! And I just wanna say again, thank you very much. Syempre din kay Miss Tony. I think it is a Miss Tony. Hindi ko pa kasi sila nami-meet ng face-to-face. So maybe someday, siguro kapag may book event din, si Precious Pages, sige. Tapos nasa Pilipinas ako. Kasi si Erich, na-meet ko na siya ng face-to-face. Nakita kami dun sa PBF. But for Miss Tony and the other marketing team ng Precious Pages, yung other marketing team ng Precious Pages, hindi ko pa kayo nami-meet face-to-face. And ang sipag nyo talaga magbigay at magpadala sa akin ng libro. So I would like to meet all of you and to thank you personally. So please, let's meet each other someday or some other time. I don't know kung anong event nyo. Basta tell me like 3 or 6 months before the event actually happens. Para alam ko kung kailan ako magbubook at hindi ako magbubook ng flight. So, anyway, eto na. Bubuksan ko na to. Okay, I will try to do an ASMR. I don't know how much of my voice is being heard through the microphone. We'll see, but this is my ASMR. And we're gonna open this package. Let's go. Is that very ASMR for you? Meron akong books kaagad na nakita. Tigilan ko na to ASMR to, na-excite na ako. I don't know if you guys will see that. Can you see? Meron kaagad na books. So, taga. Ayan, so natanggal ko na. Ito, yung cardboard. And we're gonna put this right here. If i-flip ko siya, oh my God, am I doing this right? Taga lang. Hindi ko siya nasilip. Kayo ang first look. What am I looking at? Alam ko na paperback sila kasi ito, nahahawakan ko sila. I'm actually pretty curious kasi medyo may weight yung box. Anyway, okay, bubuksan ko na yung mata ko ha. Game na ba to? Yeah, game na to. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alam mo, napakalabo talaga ng mata ko kasi kahit na... Oh, wait, may Irish Whitney! Okay! I saw the Irish Whitney. Siyempre, sisimulan natin sa kanya. Okay. Alam mo ba? Wait lang. Erich, Precious Pages. Someone commented na Ate Carla, pakidahan-dahanin lang yung excitement mo kasi yung mic nga daw, naka-earphone siya tapos sumakit yung tenga niya. I'm so sorry, darling. I saw the marketing posts for this book and I'm like, can we just appreciate what the cover looks like? Kung i-compare ko to dun sa ibang mga books nga, or yung mga pinapakita usually sa Lib, Precious Pages, as well as for the other publishing companies dito sa Philippines, itong cover na to, I'd say this is pretty unique. Okay, sabi dito, this is a romance. Oh. Huh. This is a romance? Oh, gusto ko na siyang basahin. Alam ko na, babasahin ko siya. Ay, hindi. Puno na yung December ko. Bakit ba kasi ang bilis-bilis ng mga days, di ba? Hindi. I will find time. Isisingit ko to kung kaya ko to isingit for December, pero my God. Wait! Oh, na-excite na ako! Oh my God! You know what? I've actually been waiting for this dun sa National Bookstore na branch na meron dito malapit sa akin. But they don't have this. I don't know kung ang kalaban ko dito is yung mga ibang students na, yun nga, nagbabasa din ng Irish Whitney. Pero sabi ko parang, oh my God, pwede pakikalmahan nyo. Thank you. My God, Precious Pages, you spoil me, darling. You spoil me way too much. Teka, gusto ko siya i-display kaagad. Wait lang. Nakikita ba? Taray! This is the next book dito sa aking package, and this is a VL! May bago tayong VL na babasahin! And ang title niya ay Love Letter Fairy. This is written by Kath Albuna and illustrated by Chamyu. Does Chamyu have a Instagram or I don't know, anywhere that I could follow them? Her? Him? I don't know. Like, excuse me, Chamyu? Ang gwapo! Ano ba? Nagalit? If you are a comic book reader at naghahanap ka ng quality na Filipino comics, BL, GL, doesn't matter, as long as it's comics, try Black Ink. This one is from Manila Pop naman. This is from my Yilayog Year of Goodbyes. Ooh. Uy, alam nyo, sa sobrang dami nyo magpadala sa akin ng Manila Pop, hindi ko pa nababasa yung mga nauna nyong binigay sa akin. So how about this? Gagawa ako ng specific video para dito sa Manila Pop na imprint para naman ma-appreciate natin yung mga stories and then yung mga authors dito sa imprint na to. Okay? One of the things that I love about Manila Pop books is yung pinaka-cover nila is a sleeve. Ayan siya. So, this is what it looks like with the sleeve. At ito ang itsura niya kapag walang sleeve. Tapos sa likod, ayan, Manila Pop. Artwork-wise, this cover is giving like early 2010s na kinds of illustration. Wait, ayoko basahin yung summary kasi gusto ko magulat. Gusto ko masaktan. Whatever it is. We have another book under Manila Pop imprint. At ito naman ay Who Made the Antagonist Ruthless. Once again, pagbukas natin, we have an art sleeve right here. At ayan ang itsura niya kapag wala siyang art sleeve. 23. Manila Pop 23? So ano to? Parang ginawa ng 2023? Hindi. Ba't ganun? What? Hang on a sec. Wait, I'm confused. Kasi, okay. I happened to flip over dito sa copyright page. Guess the name na naka-shock sa akin. Please, sana makikita. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my God. But anyway, RC Musni is right here. Rainlander. AKA, ako si Ibarra. What? Wait, I'm so confused right now. Does rain work? The wheels in my head, it's turning. Wala lang, nagulat lang ako na makikita ko dito, editing and layout by Rainlander Musni. Tignan nga natin. Uy, may mga illustration siya! Wait, so ibig sabihin nitong isang may illustration. May illustration din yung isang libro. Naging proud ako bigla na parang gusto ko ito yung una ko basahin because of Rainlander. Ang weird na tinatawag ko siyang Rainlander kasi I got used to calling him ako si Ibarra or RC. I don't know, but anyway, fine. Rainlander. We'll call him by his pen name. Is it his real name or your pen name? I'm so confused. Teka, balikan natin to kasi gusto kong makita kung siya din ba. Siya din ang... What? Ano po ba talaga ang day job nyo? Here's what I think RC Musni or ako si Ibarra's actual day job is in my head. See, in my head, I'm thinking, ano ba siya? Para siyang teacher or science instructor? I don't know. It's just that in my head, I think he would be in the educational career. He just gives off that vibe. I never thought that I'd see his name as a layout artist for... I don't show him this video. This one is June Rain Young Love Series 1. Overthinking Pen! I've read Overthinking Pen way back. I did a mini review. Binasa ko yung story niya. Anong story ni Overthinking Pen yung binasa ko? I forgot. Pero ginawan ko din to ng art. Not this, of course, but that story that I read way back. Hang on a sec. Is this like a short story? Okay, meron din siya mga illustrations. Si Rain pa rin ang editing and layout. Cover and inside illustration is Anatomy. Okay, Anatomy. And then the final book that I got under Manila Pop, binigay na nila yung second book. This is A Cold Day in July. Again, by Overthinking Pen. Ito na yung second book dun sa series niya. Okay, so ito yung book 1 and this is book 2. Alam nyo, wait lang actually natuwa ako kasi I don't remember if nung time na may binabasa akong story sa Wattpad under nitong si Overthinking Pen, hindi ko maalala kung na-publish na siya during that time. Pero seeing this now, I'm so happy for Overthinking Pen. Maybe this is a little bit biased, but because I had the experience working with RC Musni, way back. I have some sort of expectations now for this book. I mean, nakapagbasa naman na ako before ng Overthinking Pen. Pero dahil nga nagkaroon ng layer of familiarity because of Rain Lander, yun nga, siya ang editor and siya din ang nag-layout nito. My expectations now for these stories, these books, tumaas siya. Alright, so these are the books from Manila Pop. Now, let's go dito sa malaking... Okay, nakalagay premium crate. Okay, so ito na ang premium crate. I don't know what's inside, but... Ayan. Narinig niyo ba yan? Nandito ang mga logos ng mga imprint under Precious Pages. We have ETL, Easy to Learn Books, Lampara Books, Precious Hearts, Lib, Black Ink, and of course, Red Room. At dahil nakabox siya, syempre, ikaw ang first look. Alright, ikaw ang first look. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Tada! Ano to? Ano tong nakakapako? What is this? So far, may nakakapa akong... What is this? Ano ba to? Hanger? May mga nakakapa ako. What is this? Teka. Asan yung libro? Asan yung libro? Wait, na-confuse ako. Ano ba, may box within a box? Anyway, sige. Titingin na ako. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What am I looking at? Ang labo ng... What? All this time, I have a treasure in my hands. Guys, binigyan nila ako ng Bride of Alfonso. The premium box. I don't know what I did to deserve this. Hindi ko alam na bibigyan niyo ako nito, Erich! Wait, I'm speechless. What are you doing? Wait, nagiginig ako. Okay, let me just explain bakit nagiginig si Ate Carla. Because this box, this premium box, is expensive. Okay? Lalo na siguro para doon sa mga students na, you know, some of you don't really have your own money yet. Aside from the fact na itong story ng Bride of Alfonso is isa doon sa mga pinakahihintay talaga ng mga Wattpad readers. Yung collaboration ni Binibining Mia and of course ng Tala. Iconic. Absolutely iconic. My God. Okay, you know what? I'll start with this one first. I'll put this down, okay? Oh my God, wait. Shucks, teka, kailangan ko to picturean. Okay, so nakapag-selfie na ako. Wait, may pamaypay siya. Okay, tinanggal ko na siya. Oh, it's a keychain! Hindi ko pa nababasa ever yung Bride of Alfonso, so I have no idea bakit fish yung nakalagay dito sa box niya. This is made of wood. It is engraved. Maganda naman yung details niya. It's a fish. It's a keychain. It's a fish. Ano kayang meaning? Bakit kaya fish? Don't tell me. Okay? Sunshines, do not tell me sa comments bakit fish. Ihuhuli ko yung tala, ha? And then we have this. This is a fan. Ayan, we have a brown na ribbon. So, tatanggalin ko muna to. Uy, grabe talagang ginastusan nyo, ah. So nice. Look at it. Diba? That's so nice. Very fancy, by the way. Lubusan akong nagagalak dahil binigyan ako ng Precious Pages ng napakaganda at napakamahal na box. Talagang tunay kong nararamdaman ang aking pagiging isang dalaga. Ang aking dalagang Pilipina. Whoa! Whoa, you guys have budget. I don't know if you guys can see it, pero may nakalagay dito na Bride of Alfonso. Wow! Grabe! Grabe! Precious Pages! Sa totoo lang, that is very good marketing. Oh my God! Fancy! That is so neat! At saka magagamit talaga siya. Finally! Dito na tayo sa Tala. Can we just appreciate yung effort na ginagawa talaga ng Precious Pages ng Lib? Do you have any idea kung gaano kamahal, kung gaano kahirap na mag-curate ng ganitong klase ng premium box para lang sa readers? My God! Kung sino man ang nakapag-isip nito, nitong buong premium box na to. Give that person a raise. Okay, anyway, balik na tayo dito. So, bubuksan ko na to. Ikaw ang first look. 3, 2, 1. What am I looking at? Ano ang nasa loob? I mean, I know na jewelry to kasi this is Tala. And yun yung pinaka-branding nila. But what are we looking at? It's so pretty. Made to shine. Wait. Oh my God. Can you see that? That's so nice. It's so dainty. Diba? Oh my God. Good job, Tala. Ayun o, ganyan lang siya. It's so dainty. It's so simple. Pero dito sa gitna, may nakalagay na Bride of Alfonso. That's so nice. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it for you. Teka, check natin kung meron ba siyang... I don't think na meron tong karat. Ayan, so... Oh, ang ganda nyo! Ang ganda nyo sa akin! Wait, ang ganda niya! That is so nice! That's so pretty! I feel very dainty right now. Ang ganda niya. Ay, alam ko, ang simple lang niya, pero nakatingin ako doon sa screen ko. Look at that! Gusto ko nito. I'm gonna wear this for like everyday wear. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna wear this. Kasi, I think it's the kind of jewelry na simple lang siya. Very simple. Hindi siya yung overpowering, lalo na kung yung outfit mo siguro is maybe for office or whatever. Teka. Can you see? I could wear this anywhere. Kasi napaka-simple lang niya, oh. And if you're wondering like, can I wear this for school? Can I wear this sa office? Can I wear this for like every day? The answer is yes. Because look at that. Can you see? It's the kind of jewelry na talagang it looks timeless. It looks good. Wait, I can't stop looking at it. I'm so sorry. Napakaganda. Napakaganda ng collaboration work ng Precious Pages ng Tala at ni Binibining Mia. Pinagkagastusan, binigyan ng effort. I can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. Ang galing. My God. My God. Kasi anyone could have just done this na parang, okay, we are selling this with a premium price. Bibigyan ko kayo ng photo cards, ng bookmark. Maybe we'll put it as like, maybe bibigyan namin kayo ng magnetic bookmark, sticker pack, whatever. Pero hindi. Gumawa sila ng effort. Nag-engrave sila. Diba? Bumili sila ng mga ganitong fans. Unbelievable. You know what? Kung ganito ang effort ng publisher, they know the market. They know itong community and they are listening dun sa community nitong author na to. Grabe. Grabe marketing. Iba. Wait, nakaka-proud talaga. Nakaka-proud. Okay, wait lang. Okay, lipat na tayo dun sa libro mismo kasi alam ko na yun talaga yung hinihintay mo. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ayan siya. This is it. Ay, wait. Akala ko yung nasa loob ng box is yung paper. I mean, yung soft. What? Teka, nawala yung utak ko dun ah. Akala ko ang ibibigay nila sa akin is yung soft bound. You guys are insane. Nakikita mo ba yan? Nakikita mo ba to? Precious Pages. Lib. Can you see this? Oh my God. Oh my God. Mautak! Thank you! Mautak! Mautak ang cover designer. Yung Violator ng Watis, ginawa niyang maliit. It's still on the front cover, pero the Violator is so small, hindi siya nakakasira dun sa overall cover. Doon sa overall front cover look nitong libro. Precious Pages Lib. You guys are insane. Teka, tanggalin natin yung sleeve. May art siya sa loob. Nakikita mo ba yan? Oh my God. Teka, tanggalin natin yung sleeve. Holy shit. Can you see? what I'm seeing. It's gold foiled. Hardbound. Oh my God! You're telling me that Wattpad Philippines community can't do something like this? Napaka-intricate nung mga frames nyo. Wow! Oh my God, yes! Yes to this. Grabe yung quality! Uy, ang tindi! Can you see this, Lib? Ito yung spine niya. Oh my God, seryoso ba kayo? Ang tindi. Okay. Ginastosan to. Obviously. I haven't seen this kind of promo, of this kind of marketing for any writer except for Binibining Mia. Tapos ito, tignan mo to pagbukas natin, meron tayong art. What? Teka. Uy, shucks, may inclusions pa siya sa loob. Teka, kukunin ko muna yung inclusions. Oh my God, ang dami. After nitong art na to, which by the way, nakaprint siya sa isang thick magazine paper. Hindi lang siya basta-bastang colored print na paper. Ay, grabe to. Oh my God, meron tayong stamp. I know na legit stamp to ni Binibining Mia. Tapos we have her signature. Grabe! Wait, may character art ba dito sa loob? Wala namang character art. Wala tayong nakikitang character art dito. Pero ang ganda ng format nila ha. I'm in awe. Grabe, iniingatan ko talaga siya. This is 446 pages, so muntik na tayong umabot sa tome. Oh my God, quality-wise. This is insane. Dahil isa siyang hardbound, nakikita mo ba yan? Tahi. Tinahi siya. So alam natin na matibay to. But, you are in the Art by Carla channel, so you know what we're gonna do. Oh my God. Can you see this? This is just one page. Hindi ko na siya gaganon-ganonin pero grabe. Unbelievable. Napakatibay ng page nila This is just one page. Grabe! Wow! Maganda ang print. Walang ink smudge, by the way. Ayan can you see? Wala. Impromptu na quality check. Kasi I'm very impressed. The paper they used is an uncoated na cream paper. It is a cream paper. Font size-wise, I'm guessing nasa 12 to. Or maybe even 14. No, hindi. 12 lang to. This is awesome. No cap. Grabe. What? Sorry. What can I say about the character illustration dito sa harap? Let me show you. I don't know if this is going to be very clear, but this is the character illustration upon opening the book. It is printed in a satin finish. I'm guessing this is a satin finish. Pero, as you can see, ito yung pinaka-artwork niya. We have two characters. Medyo dark lang siya. Print-wise, malinaw naman ang pagkakaprint. Wala ako nakikitang printer head or any sort of smudge. Pixel-wise, okay, medyo may pixels, pero hindi siya prominent. I mean, hindi siya sobrang halata. The color is, of course, staying on brand dun sa characters or rather dun sa mismong branding ni Binibining Mia. Ate Carla, kamusta ang spacing ng mga text? I'd say this is a good spacing. Hindi siya nakaka-overwhelm kapag binabasa kasi ganito ako magbasa. So, tama lang. Usually, I read with my glasses. But even if I'm not wearing glasses right now and I'm just holding it like this, okay na siya. Nababasa ko siya. Yung text is hindi masyadong dikit-dikit, which is nice. They have provided us with an ample space para kunyari, if you're like me at nag-annotate ka, pwede tayo mag-annotate around the book. So, that's nice. So far, wala pa ako nakikita na misprint, ink smudge. Teka. Grabe, sorry napa-impromptu ako na quality check kasi ang ganda. My God. Okay. So, wala tayong kahit anong illustration within the pages themselves. Wala kayong makikita dito ng mga character illustrations whatsoever. Iisa lang. Ito lang talaga nandito sa harap. Quality-wise, 10 out of 10. Wow! Yung pagkaka-hardbound naman dito, this is good. This is, yeah. Magaling ang nagdikit dito, ah. Yeah. Pulido. Pwede ko to i-display sa library ko. As is. Kahit wala yung itong jacket, I could put this in my library. Pero syempre, ilalagay ko yung jacket, syempre. This could stand on its own. Kasi, teka, suot muna natin yung jacket niya kasi kailangan ko siya igatan. Ang ganda niya. This is the first inclusion. Ito ay isang one-sided print na bookmark. This is a paper bookmark. This is the title and then this is the author name. And as you can see, this is a matte finish. Wow. Okay, this is the cover. This is pretty flimsy. Pero what can we expect? I mean, this is a paper bookmark. That's fine. The next inclusion sa loob ng Bride of Alfonso na box is itong art print na ito. Ito yung details niya. At ang size niya ay isang postcard na size. Ang simple lang, di ba? It's a simple illustration. Pero very, very, very binibining Mia. Now, let's go to the final set of inclusions dito sa loob ng box na to. I don't know who these characters are, but I can tell you this, they're nice. Look at that. Oh my God. I am particularly drawn dito sa character art na to. Ayan. So, ito yung harap niya. This is a matte finish. Ganito lang siya kalaki. Ito yung harap niya. At ito naman yung likod niya. This is character art number 2. Ayan, no? Wow. Grabe. This is a two-sided print. Ito yung harap. At ito naman yung likod. And this is the final illustration, the final character. Yung paper quality niya, kasi hindi siya flimsy, oh. May tigas siya. Kung i-compare ko siya dito, kita mo yan? Mas matigas siya. Or maybe because ganito yung size niya. Pero hindi eh. Hindi eh. Print-wise, kung meron ka nung photo card ng Irish Windy na Hush Louder, kung meron ka nun, same quality. Ganun yung itsura niya. Medyo pixelized yung illustrations. Pero yung pagkaka-drawing mismo, maganda naman. Yun lang talaga siguro yung pagkaka-cut. Kasi, ewan ko kung makikita ng maayos pero yung pagkaka-cut dito, yung pagkaka-print, hindi siya, as you can see, naputol yung legs niya. Hindi pantay yung pagkaka-cut. Dito masyadong nasa gilid. Pagdating dito, mas maluwag siya. Yung dito sa kabila, okay naman yung pagkaka-cut eh. Ito lang talaga, this character. Wala akong masabi. Obviously. Hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin ako dito sa Bride of Alfonso. Hindi ako makaget over. Una sa lahat, I see the improvements dito sa Manila Pop na imprint nyo. But this one, una sa lahat, hardbound. And then, yung mga inclusions nyo, katulad itong sa necklace na to, this is exactly the kind of premium na kailangan nating lahat as readers, as collectors. Itong quality, ganitong klase ng marketing support dapat ang meron ang isang publishing house. Kung ganitong klase ng marketing effort and publishing effort ang ginagawa ng mga publishing house, wala tayong problema eh. Willing tayo magbayad ng 1.5, 2.5, I don't know, basta maganda ang quality. Basta on par ang quality dun sa bibilihin natin. I will never shut up about the quality of a premium box na gawa from Precious Pages, na gawa ng Lib. Sobrang grateful na ako na naaalala pa rin ako ng Precious Pages, na pinapadalahan pa rin nila ako ng libro. So, thank you, Precious Pages. Maraming salamat po. Kasi I'm already happy na pinadalahan nyo ko nitong mga libro from Manila Pop. Pero para bigyan nyo ko at ispoil nyo ko by giving me this premium quality box. What? This is Christmas! Believe na itong mga publishers natin, kaya nila. Or kakayanin nila. Wow!